All right. Hi, love.
Hey, sweetheart.
Okay, since you're not busy, since you sat down for a minute, when I turned off the car, it said that
The time?
no, it said that my car key fob is going out, or the battery's dead or something.
Okay.
So here's my key fob. Here's some batteries. Can you fix it? It says the battery needs to be replaced.
Battery is bad in your key fob. It
Yes,
like.
is what it said on the
All right.
for the phone picture. So.
All right. You got a screwdriver?
Yep. Screwdriver. Got my battery box. My guess is round ones.
I never can remember. One of these has both big sizes on one end, and this one has both flat ones.
Oh.
So I never remember which one's which.
Okay.
I'm assuming this just pops open. That looks like that's... My eyes are not
I know
working
you're still
super
hurting,
great today.
but I don't want to be in the car and have it. I can't get into it.
I can get my close-up glasses.
Okay. Your phone squawked. Do you need to check it?
I ignored it when I was in there.
Okay.
Okay, I can see a little better now.
All right.
I wonder if they did something really silly like make this so this will fit in here.
And pop it that way.
It's plastic, and I'm good at breaking plastic.
Well, I know. You think it would just, if it has a battery, it would just pop off. What's this one? That little button?
That's what lets the key come out.
Oh.
So that's the
That
slot
lets
the
it-
key comes in and it locks
okay.
in there. It was the other slot.
Oh.
The smaller slot here
Okay.
pops.
Pops it
That's
out.
coming apart much better.
Okay.
It feels much less like breaking.
Well, I don't want to break it. These things are kind of expensive to replace.
Yeah, I'm guessing probably a couple $100.
Ouch. Okay.
Ta-da!
All right. And it's
CR2032. Hey, we have some of these.
for something else.
What did we get these for?
I don't remember, but it came in a set of 4. You want some scissors? Oh, Klutzy.
But I'm not supposed to play with sharps.
Well, I gotta hold the camera so you have to put the sharps.
Old one.
Old one, yeah, we don't want to put that back in.
There.
Okay,
Make sure I didn't bend the metal thingy.
thank you.
Alrighty.
So snap back together.
I hope so. Kinda. Click, 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 all nice and back
Okay,
like it's supposed to be.
all right. I'm gonna set my car alarm off. You did.
Okay, so it
Okay,
seems to
it
be
works.
working. That's good.
All right.
So,
Thank you.
do I
love.
need to do the other one
Probably,
since they're both the same age?
yeah. Which, and I actually tried to swipe your keys and go out and do the car instead of having to change the battery, and it did the same thing. So.
Oh, did it?
Yep.
Well, then.
I was trying to be sneaky and not have to worry about it, and yeah, it did work.
Do you have that key handy then?
I do, but we don't need to see 2 of them. What are you doing?
I'm pushing this pin that holds the key back in that was poking out right there
Oh, okay.
because I'm a little bit,
Do I like to play with things?
things like that irritate me.
Okay, sweetheart. Can you
Okay.
say bye? Thanks for watching.